Hey guys, Miss Benja here. So today we're going to take a look at the 4 word forms. The first one we're going to look at are nouns. What is a noun? So a noun is a person, a place or a thing. Here are some examples. Can you think of any other nouns? Great. Now we're going to take a look at what an adjective is. So, an adjective is a describing word. Here are some examples. Sweet, pink, fluffy, large, dazzling, calm, or beautiful. Can you think of any more adjectives? Super. Now we're on to verbs. A verb is a doing word. It's an action or a state. Here are some examples. Grow, smell, thinking, ran, or dance. Can you think of any more verbs? Great job. Now on to adverbs, our last one. An adverb describes the verb and modifies the action. Here are some examples. Carefully, slowly, very, extremely, or quietly. Can you think of any more? Now we're going to try and find them in a sentence. Let's take a look at this one. The brown cat slept quietly. Can you spot the word forms? So cat is our noun. Brown is our adjective. Slept is our verb. And quietly is our adverb. Well done if you got that correct. Fantastic. Let's take a look at another one. Are you ready? The beautiful ballerina twirled gracefully. Can you spot the word forms? So ballerina is our noun. The word beautiful is our adjective. The word twirled is our verb. And lastly, the word gracefully is our adverb. Fantastic! Now, if you want to practice your word forms a little bit more, I've got a challenge for you. Can you write a sentence containing a noun, an adjective, a verb, and an adverb? See how well you can do. Good luck!